All right then, so let's go ahead and create these image sections. So I already did replaced these PNG images. Okay, so let's go ahead and create that. Let me close all these stuffs. Close all. Get back here in the container sections. I'm gonna create ourselves our app sections.tsx. Use this as a client, RAFC, and let's say our app client, something like that. So which is basically going to be the resemblance, something like this. So let's get back into the reserved data section, and I'm going to copy this, copy it, and replace this. Okay, so save this, and I'm gonna get into our app site page. This is going to be our client, app client. So save it. Perfect. Now you should be able to see an empty section over there. Now inside here, I'm just going to bring that reserved inner section, and I'm going to bring the left section first. Copy this, going to put it straight away inside over here, and let me enable the word wrap. And I think I need the button. No, I don't need the button. So close this, save it. So here I'm just going to say never feel hungry, download our mobile app, enjoy delicious delicious foods. So then I'm just going to bring the keep the lorem ipsum itself, so I should be able to see this. Okay, that's pretty much good enough. I think px it's not okay, this is not necessary. Save it. I think that's pretty much fine. Then right after here, I'm gonna create a div class name flex width needs to be full, and this is going to be grid columns 2, gap needs to be 4. Inside here I'm going to bring that image, mm, instead of grid I can keep it as a flex item center justify around, and I'm going to bring that image. Basically we can simply copy this. I can paste it straight away, oops, straight away over here, and let me import this next image. And instead of this fill property, I can simply say uh, width is going to be 100, height which is going to be 100. So save it. So you should be able to see this, and then I'm just going to copy this and paste it. We have two images now, and I'm just going to replace those images by using this image download and download. Let us download these two images. Let me bring those images into our public image folder, image 5, and let me bring that image 6. Oops, I already have that image 5. So image 6. Let's keep this as Android. So here Android should be here, and this is Apple, and Apple needs to be here. Save it. So let's see how does it looks. Okay, apple.png, it's not changed. Now it changed. So let's refresh this. Now you should be able to see those, but the problem is the width. So I can change this into 200. I think 200 is more than enough now. That's looking pretty much good enough. Okay, then in the right side division div, let's say class width as full, height as full, and position needs to be a relative position. And for this section, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say rounded excel bg, which is going to be this specific color. the color which we used for this testimonials card, this color BG. So now this is how it looks. Okay, and for this, instead of 44 pixels, I can say 4 pixel. That's how it looks. Perfect, I think so. Then maybe what we can do is, instead of 45, we can keep it as 40 pixels. And yep, so here inside here we need to bring that image. I'm going to say copy and paste it. Instead of this, I'm just going to say fill. Okay, now I need this image needs to be downloaded. I'm just going to say download and get that image, put it here, replace that image as app, then change the URL over here as app, save it. You should be able to see that app over here. So this one, it's going to be minimum height as 72. uh 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 mm, let's see, margin top 24. Yep, it's moving, so from the top it needs to be a little bit farther, 32, something like this. Height, which is going to be 400 pixels. Width, which is going to be 500 pixels. Nothing's changing. Why? Let's copy this. Let's ask this to, I need the right section image little bit bigger, but the height and width doesn't take any effect. Let's see. Okay, so let's try this now. Save it. Okay, now it's working. Why? Because okay, this image's height is based on this particular section division. Okay, so then let's move this division a little bit, margin top 24. Then oops, it's stretching out that. Let's push this. Okay, so maybe image height needs to be 640 pixels. Yep, now let's cut this out. Div class name width full and height full. Paste it here, and let's keep this relative, and let's say this one as the absolute. Then yep, now this is how I want it. Okay, so yeah, because the reason why the outer division is the grid division, so if you enhance the height, it is going to enhance that division itself. You don't want to do that, so that's the reason I just made that customization. So you should be able to see that now. 640, it's too much. Let's keep it as 580 then. That's pretty much good enough, I think so. Yes, so we successfully finished this. So now this is what exactly we wanted, and now all we have to do is to commit all these changes and push it into the GitHub, and we need to deploy it in our server. So let's go ahead and do that now. So close it.